Can AI boost creativity in kids? The shocking truth. Can artificial intelligence really make kids more creative? At first, it sounds almost impossible. Creativity has always been considered a uniquely human quality, something sparked by intuition, emotions, and personal experiences. AI, on the other hand, is just technology, algorithms, data, and lines of code. So how could these two worlds possibly collide in a way that enhances imagination rather than stifling it? Here's the twist. When thoughtfully introduced and mindfully guided, AI doesn't limit creativity in children. It can actually amplify it. Today's kids are digital natives, surrounded by technologies that previous generations could scarcely imagine. They interact with drawing apps that transform simple doodles into vibrant digital masterpieces. They use story generators that suggest wild premises and plot twists, sometimes reaching far beyond the confines of their own young imaginations. There are even music programs powered by AI that let children compose entire symphonies, designing melodies and harmonies without any formal training or knowledge of reading music. It's not about cheating the creative process. It's about scaffolding. Imagine a playground for the mind. The slides and swings are there, but what each child chooses to do with them is entirely unique. AI becomes the foundation that lets kids build higher and leap further. By offering immediate feedback, unexpected suggestions, or endless variations, AI tools give children the chance to experiment and see what happens when their ideas are pushed in new directions. But here's where caution enters the story. Technology, after all, is a tool. Its impact depends on how we use it. If kids simply hand over their creativity to an app, pressing generate and walking away, something essential is lost. Consuming is not the same as creating. The magic happens when AI becomes a collaborator, an idea buddy, not a shortcut to a finished product. When used wisely, AI helps kids brainstorm when they're stuck, remixes their concepts to shake off creative blocks, and encourages rapid experimentation. Just as a blank canvas can feel intimidating, an empty page can sometimes shut down inspiration. AI offers gentle nudges, suggestions, variations, what-ifs, that help children overcome fear of failure and get their ideas flowing. It teaches them that creativity is not always invention from nothing, but often the art of connecting dots in original ways. The most important lesson is this. AI should never be the artist. It should always be the paintbrush, a tool in the hands of a child who is still very much the creator. The delightful surprises that come from an AI-assisted drawing or a music composition programmed on a tablet, they only matter because a curious child made each choice along the way. That's where families and educators come in. Our job isn't just to give children access to these powerful new technologies. It's to help them use AI with intention. Ask questions about why a child chose a certain story prompt or which melody they like best and why. Encourage kids to tweak the computer's suggestions, to add their own touches, and to think critically about the results. With the right guidance, AI doesn't flatten creativity. It expands it. It gives kids new languages for self-expression and the courage to take risks without fear of failure. In this way, AI becomes one more building block in raising a future generation that is both tech-savvy and creative, curious and empowered. AI can boost creativity, but only when we nurture curiosity and keep humans, especially kids, at the creative center. Because true creativity isn't just about producing things, it's about making meaning, exploring possibilities, and telling stories that have never been told before. Let's encourage the next generation not just to use AI, but to play with it, learn from it, and use it to reimagine what's possible. The future of creativity is bright, and with the right balance, AI is a part of that story, not its author.